Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello my dear friends, this is Oleg, and today Forex and Crypto Forecast. As usual, we look at major pairs of currencies, euro against dollar, great pound, yen and gold. As for crypto market, we review Bitcoin against dollar. So my friends, if you see me and listen me, please put pluses in our chat and we can begin.
Bitcoin against dollars. So my friends, if you see me and listen me,
so that microphone is ready, pictures also, make some movement. So let's start. First of all, let's look at economic calendar in the site of investing.com. One moment. No, not this side.
First of all,
not this page. Yeah, and let's switch it in English. 1, 2, 3. Oh, here we are. Today Tuesday, 6th of October. So we have the calendar is full for today, full of important news. You'll see that some news have already issued, like construction PMI of great pound is better than prediction. Now we are waiting for speech of ECB President Christine Lagarde and short-term energy outlook of America.
Better than prediction. Now we are waiting for
some mistake. This is news have already issued. Now what news are going on? This is Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaks. It's big news for today because his colleague Christine Lagarde have already spoken about European Union monetary policy. Let's check what interesting news from
spoken about European Union monetary policy.
There is Christine Lagarde. Okay. Now don't see any information about Christine Lagarde's speech. Maybe we'll get some information later. Don't waste our time. We analyzed it in our further issue, in our further webinar. Now we are waiting for Fed Chair Powell speaks. Yeah, this is the last big news for today. As for fundamental data, as for fundamental situation, we have two major factors. This is American election of president, and new debates between Trump and Biden. Today we got some good news for American president. Mr. Trump returned in his office in Oval Cabinet and continued his his duties in as the rule of American of America. This is a good news for American dollar. Not very big, but this is. It means that the dialogue and debates between Biden and Trump continue, and Trump can take an active participant in his election campaign because he's adopter of big activities. He likes to travel in American states and make some declarations, some speech, and try to get more votes from participants that now not have any favorite. So we are looking for further information about Mr. Trump, about his debates with the main rival, Joe Biden, in the election of American president. It's the first big news. The second one is negotiations between Great Britain and European Union. They got new information about this process. Today, European Union, some tuk-tuk near of my room. Boris Johnson met with European Union leaders. One moment, my friends.
Boris Johnson met with European Union leaders.
Yeah, Ursula von der Leyen, yeah. John Powell met with Ursula von der Leyen, and they could make some promotion in these negotiations because of latest news were that European Union wants to go to the court, make some claim against activities of Boris Johnson because he changed some important points of agreements between the Great Pound and European Union. I'm very sorry because of this big tuk-tuk near of me. And European Union agreed to continue these negotiations, and they could agree to postpone the final date of this agreement in 1 month further, because the
final date of this agreement
I try to remember because deadline, the previous deadline was in 15th of October, and now deadline was postponed to 15th of November. It gives some more time to find some points of agreement and sign a deal between agreement and deal between European Union and Great Britain. So it's quite a good news for Great Pound, the European Union, but we also have not very good news for Great Pound. Now we'll see the second wave of pandemic, especially strength, especially confident and powerful in Great Pound, because in the whole world now coronavirus is returned, but in Great Pound the numbers of deaths and illness are very strong and very numerous. Some analytics suppose that the second wave of coronavirus in Great Pound will be 3 or 4 times stronger than the first wave, and this is a very bad factor for British pound because of labor market, the most powerful
first wave, and this is very
most powerful influence, bad influence will be on the labor market, and maybe the whole country or some parts of the country will be on quarantine. So trade pound data as GDP and as a labor market data will be worse than now. So we'll have a lot of fundamental factors in a market, and we must take it in consideration before the review the technical factors. I'm sorry for some mistakes and some stops in our speech because of fundamental factors are quite strong for consideration, for meaning, and I try to express it by my own words. So if you have some questions, my friend, please ask me in our chat, the chat of our translation. And now let's move on to the technical analysis. First of all, this is a great pound against dollar. Today I open a position from and now let's move on to the technical analysis from ODR level to the balance to the level of local heights. Now ODR level to the balance to the let's bet yena. One moment, my friend, I check the position. In some broker, in one broker, I can hold the position, and in the other broker, the position was closed. But I'm used to the same stop loss level. Okay, this is a live. This is live. This is a market. Okay, let's move on. First, our active for forecasting. This is American Index DXY. We have pivot level for today at a price of 93.59. Now the trend is bearish. We exit from bullish channel, and now the main target for downward movement is the further levels. Let's mark it on the graph. Exit from bullish channel, the first level, and now the main the second one. Downward movement is the level. As for buy positions, it is necessary to form a bullish channel at the second and the further lows
the first level
will be
and the second one.
higher than these, and we must
As for
buy
positions, it is necessary to form bullish
sneak
channel at the second
from this level, this pivot level, and only in this way we can manage buy positions until this level. But while we are within the bearish channel, the main movement is bearish, so we can manage the sell positions near this level. We are waiting for some reversal pattern. Maybe you can use 1, 2, 3 or zigzag pattern and hold your sell positions until these two levels. So I make a screenshot and download it in our group. One moment, my friends.
You can use 1, 2, 3 or zigzag pattern and hold your sell positions until these two levels. So I make a screenshot and download it in our group. One moment, my friends.
Yeah, come on. Okay, here we are. So, my friend, if you want to see our screenshots, please follow this link.
Okay, here we are.
And let's use it in your trading. Let's move forward. The next active is euro dollar. In our morning survey, we made a prediction that there is two levels for buy positions. It's a balance line, first level, and the margin level. This the fusion of trend line, something in this zone. The first level for buy positions will be here, and the next one at a price of 1.1837. By this moment, our prognosis, our analysis was the same. We can manage buy position from this balance line up to this level and this one. The second level for buy trades will be here. So if the price move downward to this level and we'll see some reversal pattern near this zone, we can manage the buy positions up to these levels. So the main direction is bullish, channel is upward. While we are within this channel, the main positions are buying both. Yeah. Let's make screenshot. Hello, my friend, Oleg Kovalov. So sounds is echoing a bit. I'm sorry, because of this translation, I forgot to stop it. Please, my friend, mention now the sound is better. I stopped this webinar in this translation, and the sound must be without any echoing. Okay, let's check it. No, this one. I added a screenshot if euro dollar. Yeah, and let's move forward to a great pound, a British pound. Now we are in a balance line, so we can make both from this level. I mentioned it in our morning webinar that this zone is very sweet for buy positions because of the fusion, two signals, the trend line and the horizontal level. Now their levels changed, so we can adopt it. This is two levels for buyers and two levels for sellers. Okay. But my friends will have very strong zone. This is a psychological level 1.30. I can draw it something like this big zone. For further movement, we must demolish this level and make retest. Let's draw it something like this. Oh. In this case, we can make new boards up to the level of 1.3055. But we'll see that this level has already pulled the price. So maybe in this attempt we also see that the price that this zone could stop the level, stop the upward movement. But if we see these lows, yes, these every next low is higher than the previous, so the price begin to press this level from these lows more and more powerful. I think we can make attempt to overseize this zone and maybe the successful attempt. So it is necessary to watch the behavior of the players near this level. My friends, I write some terminology in English what I want to see. Yeah. I write some words in Russian, which I want to see in vocabulary and translate it in English. So this is prediction of price movement of Great Pound against dollar. I think we'll try to touch this zone and try to overcome it and begin a new upward movement up to this level and even more. One moment. The sell positions we can manage only if the if we exit from this bullish channel, make a rebound. In this case, the first level for sell positions will be the beginning of 29th figure, and the second one will be at this price. But now the main direction is bullish, so we are waiting for correction, and at the end of this correction we manage buy positions up to these two levels. Yeah, let's move forward. I also upload a screenshot of Great Pound, and let's check our chart. Okay, Oleg, thank you very much. So let's move forward. The next pair is American dollar against Japanese yen. I'm open sell positions in after our morning forecast at this price and try to hold it up to this level. I am close the first position at this price, quite close, but Japanese yen is very lazy pair, especially in the Europe trading session, because of movement is very small in our time zone. So the levels, order levels, and balance line is the same, no change from our morning webinar, and our prediction is also liquid actual. Now we'll have a resistance trend line. The price could move forward to new lows. Our target for sell positions, this one and this one. We can see buy positions and change the direction of our trading only if the price could break down this balance line, make retest. Here we manage buy positions up to a level of 105.92, and the second one is the beginning of 106 figure. But while we are in this bearish channel, we are waiting for the ending of correction, some reversal pattern. It can be a bearish engulfing, or maybe a 1 to 3 which you prefer to use. And if we see this pattern, we open sell positions up to these two levels. Okay, that's enough for Japanese yen. One moment. I'll read your question, my friend. And one moment. Our next pair is gold. Now this pair is on a flat, on a small diapason. There is no directional movement at this moment. So we are waiting for the reaction of the price. Now the period of accumulation of volumes and price waiting for new triggers for further movement. So we can use two scenarios. From this level, from this balance line, it will see bullish engulfing on 1 to 3 pattern, open as new heights up to this level 1932. But if the price could overwhelm this bearish channel, make successful attempt to breaking through, we can open sell positions on the retest of this bullish channel from bottom to top, and the rebound. On the rebound we can manage sell positions up to this level. This is 81 or 82. So this demarcational zone, the price is between of this demarcational zone, between this balance line. It is necessary to wait for a reaction. Yeah, this is my ideas about gold. And the last pair for today is a Bitcoin against American dollar. I deleted terminal where this pair will is, so it is necessary to use some other site for the graph. Let's try to use this request. Some reconstruction or some repair in my neighbors and some noisy sounds. So I'm here. So, sorry, my friends. Okay. Quite interesting situation on the graph of Bitcoin against dollar, because we can see the triangle figure, which is visible from this distance from daily time frame. So let's make technical analysis. Yeah, it's the first line, and the second line, sorry my friends. Okay, let's use like this. So we can also use Fibo levels, Fibo retracement from this level up to this one. Where is 15 level? Yeah. Okay. So now the main question is what side will be successful, the bearish or bullish one. We'll have a strong zone of resistance. This is a 15 level of Fibo, and triangle figure. So it is necessary to wait that the line will be breaking down. You will see taking down this support line. It open us new lows. The first one is local low, and the second one will be at a price of 9,000. So this is 10,000. Okay, this one. But the alternative scenario is the price could breaking through a resistance level and could overwhelm this Fibo level. We can waiting the price at the level of these local highs. It's something like 12,000 and a half. Oh no, not a half, not a half. Something like this. So now it is necessary to see the behavior of the big players near this near the end of this triangle. Lower side will be breaking through. In this side we can manage our position. If we see that a resistance level will be demolished, it opens us new heights and we can adopt buy positions, of course. But if the price could overhand this support level, we are waiting for a rebound and open sell positions up to the level of 10,000 and even 9,000. So this is the main question of Bitcoin against dollar. Lower side will be successful. Okay, let's upload our Bitcoin screenshot. And my friends, I promised to read the commentary of Oleg. Oleg today is close to use the cut sell from 1.3287 on 36. Looking to sell it again on 1.33 and or buy 1.31 area. Okay, so let's check it. The zone for selling by Oleg forecast the first of 1.33 and 40. Okay. Yes, I found this reason. Oleg, you are going to use 12 and this margin zone. Yeah, this margin zone for sell positions, as I understand. It's quite interesting zone, because if you see a sell reaction from this price or from this level, we can draw big bearish channel and sell until this zone, the most interesting, the most powerful support zone will be on the price of 1.31 and a half. Okay. Yeah, this zone is quite interesting for buy positions, because this is the most powerful margin zone, 100% zone. So this is a movement will be completed. This downward movement will be completed. You will see that the price breaking through their resistance trend line, and we'll see some reaction to this zone. It could be bullish engulfing on reverse and upward 1 to 3 pattern. Of course, you can manage buy positions until this level. The first target will be here, and the second one will be here. I'm fully agree with you, Oleg. So let's control the price in this pair, and if you can use, of course, you can use some notifications. No, some alerts from here and here. And when we listen this alarm, we can look for big players' behavior near this zone. So, my friends, welcome to our webinar, our next webinar. I'm try to organize it on a Thursday, the day after tomorrow. Exactly at the time of this webinar at 5 o'clock p.m. by GMT +3. So thank you very much, my friends, for listening me, for your commentaries and likes under the video. I'm waiting for you in our next webinar, and I wish you a good trades and good profits. See you next time. Sincerely yours, Oleg.
Audio Jungle.